Today, we will discuss the incredible details about the structure of the sky provided in the Quran, which was revealed 1,400 years ago. How are scientific facts that people at that time could not even imagine described in the Quran? Let's explore it together. 1. The layers of the sky. Allah Almighty mentions the structure of the sky many times in the Holy Quran. In verse 3 of Surah Mulk, it is stated, "He is the one who created 7 heavens, one above another." You will not see any inconsistency in the creation of the Most Gracious. Look again. Can you see any cracks? Mulk 67:3, 7 heavens. What does this mean? Modern science tells us that the atmosphere consists of 7 distinct layers: the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere, ionosphere, and magnetosphere. Each has its own unique characteristics, temperature, and function. How could this information have been included in the Quran 1,400 years ago in an era without telescopes or satellites? Even more interesting is the phrase, "You cannot see any discord," in the rest of the verse. Modern science also confirms the perfect balance and harmony between these layers. In the Surah An-Nahl, it says, "Allah raised the sky without pillars, and you see it." An-Nahl 16:26. Without pillars. Yes, the sky truly stands without any visible support, thanks to gravity, the magnetic field, and atmospheric pressure balance. This was an impossible concept for people of that era to comprehend. 2. Protective ceiling. In the Quran, the sky is described not only as layers, but also as a protective structure. In verse 32 of Surah Al-Anbiya, Allah says, "We have made the sky a protective ceiling, yet they turn away from its signs." Anbiya 21:32. A protective canopy. What a profound truth this phrase holds. Our atmosphere truly protects us. The ozone layer filters 97 to 99% of the harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. Without this layer, life on Earth would be impossible. Every day, tons of meteors come toward our world, but the upper layers of the atmosphere burn up these meteors and protect us. The magnetosphere acts as a shield against solar winds and cosmic rays. Allah Almighty described this protective system as a protected canopy 1,400 years ago. At that time, no one knew about these functions of the atmosphere. People thought they only saw a blue dome. 3. Balances in the sky. The Quran mentions not only the existence of the sky, but also the delicate balances within it. It says in Surah Zariyat, "In the sky is your sustenance and what you are promised." Zariyat 51:22. Is our sustenance in the sky? Yes. The water cycle in the atmosphere, rain, the carbon cycle, oxygen production. These are all processes that take place in the sky. Clouds form in the troposphere and bring us rain. The stratosphere protects us with the ozone layer. The mesosphere burns up meteors. In the 7th verse of Surah Ar-Rahman, it is stated, "He raised the sky and established the balance." Rahman 55:7. Balance. Equilibrium, proportion. Everything in the sky exists in a delicate balance. Atmospheric pressure, temperature, composition. A small change in any of these could make life impossible. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, other gases 1%. This ratio is ideal for life. If there were more oxygen, forests would burn constantly. If there were less, we couldn't breathe. In Surah Hud, Allah says, "Indeed, my Lord is ever watchful over all things." Hud 11:57. This oversight is seen in every layer of the sky, in every molecule. 4. The wrapping of night and day. A very interesting expression is used in the 5th verse of Surah Az-Zumar. He wraps the night around the day and the day around the night. Zumar 39:5. The Arabic word yukeviru means to wrap a turban, to wrap something around a round object. This indicates that the world is spherical and rotates. 1,400 years ago, when most people thought the world was flat, the Quran stated this fact so clearly. Night and day truly wrap around each other because the world is round and rotates. The 7 layers of the sky, its protective canopy structure, the delicate balances within it, the wrapping of night and day. All of this was described in the Quran 1,400 years ago. As we reflect on these verses, we see evidence of Allah's power and the miraculous nature of the Quran. There are many signs in the heavens and the earth, but they pass by them and turn away. Yusuf 12:105. Let us open our eyes and see these miracles around us.